What is good in the morning?
Good morning.
Morning, because I'm here?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Beside to your Uncle John.
Wala, hindi umalis sa tabi ni Uncle Jan eh.
Siya na magbantay niya.
Oh, here. Ma'am, look at this. Reserved for senior citizen. This is our place here.
There we open sudden.
No, I'm kidding.
Go the other side, go around. So, the first lagoon is docking with the boat. And when entering the first lagoon, just enjoy the rock formation, side by side. Okay? And then, skeleton shipwreck. Why call it skeleton shipwreck? Because we have a sinking ship during World War II. To be honest, the shipwreck nobody knows where it came from. Okay? You see the shipwreck from the surface like a 5 meters deep. And the back of the shipwreck is deeper, like a 15 meters. Only to see the surface like only the front of the shipwreck. Okay? And then, 2 coral gardens. Okay? Hopefully we see the sea turtle and a lot of exotic fish and then alligator. Be serious, just kidding for the alligator. And then we have a lunch area. Okay? Okay guys. Someone to rent a kayak here? Kayak. You have already? Yes, sir.
If you want to go to the upstairs to see the view. But we could do it.
Every time when you take me out, you want to kill me.
And sir? 2 adults. Okay. Ma'am? Kung gusto niyo lang.
Papa, like by the one who
Isa dyan. May tawag siya. Ano ba dito?
private, yeah, nakat okay. Yan yung daw, friend. There's apple there.
Tayo makalusok, hindi ka nakatali.
You need water, Noah?
That building there and the background is our hotel, Sori Resort, and we are now going for our first stop.